Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to change default font in Microsoft Word. I just typed the word computer world. Now you can see here the default font size is 11 and font is Calibri and there is no other formatting here. If I want to change default font to some other formatting, you have to just select the text and go to the font right bottom corner of the font and change it for size is 14 and it should be italic, Arial, and font color will be this color and press don't press OK, just select set as default. It will convert it into default setting, set as default, and it will ask you these document only and all document based on the normal template. I just select all documents based on the normal template and press OK. Now the default font will be this setting. If I open a new document, just go to the file, new blank document and create. Now you can if you type computer world, the default font is this formatting. And I just close this document and I open another document. There will be this this formatting there also. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.